In a magical garden one sunny afternoon, there lived a curious little rabbit who loved nothing more than exploring every nook and cranny. One day, while hopping through the flowers, the rabbit discovered something extraordinary, a mysterious flower that sparkled with an enchanting glow. As the rabbit watched in wonder, the magical flower gently lifted from the ground, floating in midair like a tiny lantern. It bobbed and weaved, beckoning our furry friend to follow along a winding path filled with beauty. Along the way, the rabbit met a delightful butterfly with shimmering wings who was just as curious about the magical flower. Their eyes met, and instantly, a wonderful friendship bloomed. Together, they followed the glowing flower until they discovered something incredible. A magnificent rainbow bridge stretching high into the sky, promising more wonders above. At the top of the bridge, they found themselves in an enchanted garden floating among the clouds, where more magical flowers bloomed, each one glowing with its own special light. With gentle paws and wings, they planted their special flower among its glowing friends. Suddenly, a wave of sparkles spread through the garden, each flower lighting up one after another in a dazzling display. Now, as the moon rises each night, the rabbit and butterfly sit together in their magical cloud garden, watching their glowing flowers dance in the starlight. Two friends who made something magical even more special by sharing it together.